Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong machine. Today we are sending our animal feed rain dye pellet machine to South Africa. You can see this is the horizontal type rain dye pellet machine. And this pellet machine fit with a 45 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity for making animal feed pellet is 3 to 5 tons per hour. This type of pellet machine very suitable for making any kinds of animal feed pellet. For example, like 2.5 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters pellet suitable for chicken feed, duck feed, fish feed pellet. And this machine have two pipes on the top. As you can see, that the first is screw feeders, and the second one is the steam conditioner. As you know, we do the animal feed pellet. Usually, we will make this grains material, for example, like corn, soybean, wheat. We add steam, high temperature, to the pellet machine to make the pellet more soft and more suitable for animal eating. This pellet machine we fit with 3 millimeters rain dye, suitable for the animal feed pellet making. And that's all for the introduction about our horizontal type rain dye pellet machine. If you have any requirement for this type of machines, please send your requirement to us. Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.